In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view an invoice on Clio. To start, let's open up your internet browser and type Clio into the search bar. Hit enter, and when the search results load, look for the first link or the one that includes the URL clio.com. Click on this link to navigate to the Clio website. Once you're on Clio's homepage, you'll want to find the Login option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login, and this will direct you to a page where you can access your Clio account. After logging in, you'll see various options. You'll need to click on Clio Manage. This section is designed to provide you with a comprehensive view of all your case management tools, including billing and invoicing features, which is exactly what we're looking for today. Now that you're on the Clio Manage dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Billing. Go ahead and click on this tab. This action will take you to the main billing page where all invoices associated with your account are housed. At the top of the billing page, you'll notice several quick filter options. These filters allow you to view invoices based on their status. You can choose from categories like draft, pending approval, unpaid, paid, all bills, and archive. Selecting one of these filters will help you narrow down your search to only those invoices you need to review. Once you've applied your filter, or if you prefer to browse through all the invoices, you'll be viewing a list of bills. If you have a specific invoice in mind, the search bar is your best friend. You can search for invoices by entering an ID number, the client's name, or even the matter involved, making it quite efficient to pinpoint the exact invoice you need to view. After you've located the invoice you wish to view, you have two options to proceed. You can either click directly on the bill ID number, which will open up and display all the invoice details. Alternatively, there's a handy down arrow next to the Send button. Click this arrow and, from the drop-down menu, select View Bill. This action will also take you to the detailed view of the invoice. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily view any invoice within Clio. Doing so ensures you have all the necessary billing information at your fingertips, allowing you to manage your accounts efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your invoicing workflow with Clio.